How do you clear chat history in Codex? So if you're using the desktop app for Codex, you want to basically come to the left side panel here under Threads, and you want to pick the session that you want to clear the chat history for. For example, this session or project called Playground. If you expand it, you should see the threads under the folder. Now you can click on, hover over the project name and then click on the three horizontal dots. Now click on Archive Threads and then just click on Archive All, and this should basically clear the chat history for that specific session. You can also do it using the CLI or command line tool. You want to open up your terminal or PowerShell in your project directory and run the following command /clear and press enter. Now keep in mind that these commands will only work if you are in a session already. You can use these commands to clear or start new session. So for example, if you are in a Codex session, you want to type / and then you can type clear, which clears the session, or you can just type /new, and this will basically start a new session, and it will make the AI forget the entire context from the previous session as well. You can also run the same commands within the Codex app terminal. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.